Okay, man, I gotta admit, I'm not surprised because this is a black FJ, and anybody who owns an FJ knows that there's only one color FJ Cruiser should have been made in to begin with, and that is black. Nothing looks better than a black, all blacked out FJ. Now, this one claims to be a TRD Special Edition 6-speed manual. It's an '07. It just sold on Bring a Trailer for $37,250. Link will be in the description so you can go on there and look at the photographs yourself. But this is crazy, people. This guy, I think it's second owner, maybe third owner, I don't know. But basically, you got a 15-year-old vehicle with 86,000 miles that sold for what it cost brand new 15 years ago. I mean, how many trucks go up in value the second you drive it off the parking lot? So, again, go look at the pictures yourself. The vehicle's pretty clean. It's got lots of parts. But look at this bidding history. Ding, 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 ding. Where did it all go? Right here. So the auction was basically over at about, I want to say 12:55 p.m. It was at 26,750. And then in the next 12:55, the next 20 minutes, it went up to 37,500. Went up another third, another $10,000, and basically you've got this guy. Where was the actual bidding going on here? Every minute, every 2 minutes or whatever, they'd outbid each other. The Sizzler and Joel Breck, right here, all the way down to here. The Sizzler had bid on it at the end of the auction, and then a couple more came in, but basically those two had it out with each other at $1,000 a piece, and then it went down to $250 a piece, and they probably just got tired and said, okay, I'm never going to lose, I give up. Anyways, congratulations to the Sizzler. If you see this video, leave me a comment, and hopefully you got a YouTube channel where you can post some beautiful videos of that all blacked out FJ. So, in case you're interested in bidding on an overpriced FJ Cruiser and not selling one, there's two more on. One's up in 4 days. It's a 1,500 mile '07 that's lifted and modified. And then there's a 24,000 mile 14 FJ Cruiser. And it's at 25. But as you see, these bids are nothing. Anybody who's bidding now is doing nothing but jacking up the prices of FJs. If you're serious, you come out and you snipe it in the last 2 minutes. That's the way Bring a Trailer works. All right, man, that's it. Stay tuned, subscribe. See ya.